Welcome to Utopia Sound Entertainment, where dreams are nurtured and creativity knows no boundaries.
In a world often defined by rigid standards and conventional rules, we stand as a beacon of freedom and individuality. Here, we celebrate the diverse avatars, unique voices, and limitless potential. At Utopia Sound, we believe that everyone has the power to be an artist, no matter who they are or how they choose to express themselves.
Our mission is simple but profound: to break the mold, challenge the norms, and inspire a new era of artistry. We do not follow the outdated, restrictive avatar rules that often define the KUV world. Instead, we embrace the infinite variety of forms and stories that make each Robloxian extraordinary.
At Utopia Sound Entertainment, you're not just a part of a community, you're part of a movement that dares to dream bigger, reach higher, and create fearlessly. We are more than just a name, we are a symbol of what's possible when passion and authenticity come together.
Join us and be part of the difference. Be the voice that inspires, the artist that breaks barriers, and the story the world has been waiting to hear.
Because here at Utopia Sound Entertainment, you don't just follow the rhythm, you create it.